To make giblet gravy, start by pouring the drippings from the roasting pan the turkey was cooked in into a bowl. Then, wait 15 minutes for the drippings and fat to separate. Once you see the clear fat at the top, skim it off and set it aside for later. Place the roasting pan across 2 burners set to medium-low and pour some of the fat into it. The more fat you use, the richer your giblet gravy will be. After you add the fat, whisk in half a cup, 64 grams, of flour until it browns, which should take around 10 minutes. Then, pour in 4 cups, 946 milliliters, of sodium-free broth, followed by half of the drippings. Continue to cook and whisk the gravy for about 5 minutes, or until it thickens. Finally, add chopped giblets and neck meat to the pan, and season with a bit of salt and pepper.